right, that's Slow Pulp, At It Again. It's a nice little punk, power pop, post-punk song. And you may notice it's getting a little cold here on the guitar farm, so I had to throw on some little something to keep me warm today. So what's going on here in this song? We start out with 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C sharp minor 7. Now you can play it with power chords exclusively if you want. That would just be C sharp to A, but it sounds to me like they're playing it. They're emphasizing the high strings and playing a C sharp minor 7 on the recording. Then after that, it does that twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it just goes the C sharp minor. You can play it with power chords if you want. C sharp minor, B, A. C sharp minor, B, A. That's the verse. And then for the chorus, it's just At It Again. I think they're playing it up here at the 7th fret. Oh, I forgot to mention the chords for the chorus are just E, A. You play power chords on this whole song, every chord. Ooh, at it again. Right, but if you're gonna use power chords, you might want to leave your distortion on. At it again. Ooh, at it again. Then at the end, they take it down. They're just playing with the clean sound and bringing down the tone, the dynamics. And then they're playing the B and the E strings on lead guitar. And both of those are notes in the major scale of E. And the song is in the key of E. So you can pedal the B string with the open high E. You can play frets 2, 4, 5, and 7 on both strings. You can pedal the B string if you want. So just, kind of make up some licks or see if you can figure out what they're playing. They're kind of playing the melody of the song. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so I like this power punk song, and I like groups that have their own sound. They don't try to sound like other punk pop groups. All right, so thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.